Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the background of the lock screen on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series. First, let's look at the background of our current lock screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now to customize this background, let's go to one of the main screens. Then, we press and hold the screen for a few seconds until the appearance mode changes. In the lower icons that appear, we will look at the bottom left and click on it. Here we will see that we have the possibility to look for alternative backgrounds for our lock screen. We look for a background that we like and click on it. Then, to select it, we will click on the Apply option. Then choose the option of Set as Lock Screen. Accept the new window if you want the images to be configured as a wallpaper carousel. Once we have configured it, we can go to the lock of our screen to see the new background applied. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.